Hello. Purple color, violet color, sky blue color, yellow color, light green color, dark green color, red color, black color, orange color, dark blue color, brown color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's learn to count some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys. Let's learn some colors name. Red color, violet color, orange color, purple color, white color, yellow color, dark blue color, black color, dark green color. Today we'll learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A, A for aeroplane. L for lemon. T for train. B for books. J for juice. F for frog. C for candy. O for ox. S for strawberry. D for doll. H for horse. Y for yam. E for elephant. M for moon. U for universe. G for goat. I for ice cream. K for king. N for net. P for parrot. X for X-ray. Q for queen. Z for zipper. R for rainbow. V for violin. W for water. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.